right, here we are in Mastic Beach, right on Riviera in Manhasset. This house, which dates back probably to the beginnings of Mastic Beach, is sagging. It's deteriorated. It is coming down and not going to be a blight on a great community anymore. We're right here at the waterfront, and I'm joined by Councilwoman Karen Dunn-Kesnig, and I'm going to pass the microphone over so she can tell you about this house.
We're thrilled that the town now owns this house, and we're able to take it down for the residents of this community. And most importantly, because it protects the land, it helps us mitigate against flooding, and it's just an overall good thing for the area of Mastic Beach.
All right, now I want to give a special shout out to our waste management crew. These guys take down homes cleaner, faster, and more efficiently than most anyone you'll find anywhere else. So thank you guys, and let's commence the demo.